This is Daddy doing wrestling moves on Sophia. Well, that's just fun. Woohoo! Are you dizzy? Oh, oh, oh. Whoa, 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 careful. What are you doing? Say hi.
Hi.
What you got?
Got.
You got a cup?
Got.
It's not a phone. Go, woo. Daddy. Fix her shirt. What are you doing, baby? She likes to look outside.
Ice.
Side. Outside.
Ice.
Don't. You be nice. Being gentle. Gentle. See her little amount of hair blowing in the wind. Sophie. Go. Sophie. Are you gonna laugh? Go get him. Go tickle Daddy. Can you tickle Daddy? Where are you going? Thor? Can you look at... Oh, I think you just passed us. Say bye! Look at Mama. Say bye! That way. You're in my camera view. Honey!
I'm gonna flip you off.
You were acting like it though.
Stop.
Why? 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 Oh. Oh. Yeah. Don't knock stuff over. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Sophie, tell the camera bye.
Bye. Bye. Yeah.
Whoa, oh. Whoa. Say bye.